Assam Transport Department observed the 31st National Road Safety Week centrally at Assam Administrative Staff College in Guwahati yesterday. The Road Safety Week will be observed till January 17 all across the country. The Khasi Students Union KSU, the apex students body of Meghalaya, will hold its general election to elect new office bearers of the Central Executive Committee on February 22 next. This was decided during the General Executive Council meeting of the union held at Jayau yesterday. The General Election Committee meeting has also entrusted the present Central Executive Committee under the leadership of the present KSU President to continue taking up issues concerning the state till the new body is installed. The Dr. T. Au football tournament will kick-start at the Indira Gandhi Stadium in Nagaland capital Kohima on January 20 next. The tournament involving the Northeast will continue till January 28 next. KYIV Ukraine, Iran's stunning admission that its forces errantly downed a Ukrainian jetliner, reserving 3 days of denial, did little to quell growing fury inside the country and beyond on Saturday as the deadly tragedy turned into a volatile political crisis of Tehran leaders and overshadowed their struggle with the United States. The Congress yesterday asked the centre to immediately stop the process of updating the National Population Register, the first indication that Congress-ruled Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab may not participate in the massive nationwide exercise. Kerala and West Bengal have already rejected the NPR. A senior Congress leader indicated that the party's governments in the state could bring assembly resolutions against the NPR exercise. The UK ambassador to Iran was arrested during anti-government protests in Tehran after officials admitted shooting down a passenger plane. Rob McCare was held for 3 hours in what the UK described as a flagrant violation of international law. It is understood he was attending a vigil for those who died in the crash, which turned into a protest. He left to make his way back to the UK embassy but was arrested as he stopped at a barber shop for a haircut as per a media report.